This how to 1 minute will show you how to get URL of image you upload in WordPress website. So as you can see, currently I'm in my WordPress post and here's a image. So now I will show you two methods to get any WordPress website image URL. The first method is you can easily get any image URL from your front end. All you have to need, just right click on your photo and click on open image in a new tab. Now go to the image tab and here you will get your image URL or link. And the second method is from your backend or WordPress dashboard. So come to your WordPress dashboard and click on media. And here search for the image you want to get URL. You can use this search box to find out the actual image. So open the image and here you will get the image URL. Now you can copy the URL from here to share this. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.